Get ready, start. In 1982, the appellant floated a scheme for economically weaker sections stop. The respondent deposited an amount of rupees 500, initially in 1982, for registration stop. Later, in 1985, an additional amount of rupees 500 was deposited when the registration fee was enhanced to rupees 1000 stop. Clause 5 of the registration booklet provided as follows: stop. The registration of a person does not in any way confer any right or guarantee that the board is bound to allot a plot or house to him, nor will he be entitled to claim any compensation if he is not allotted the property as desired by him. Stop para. The appellant is governed by the UP Awas एवं विकास परिषद registration and allotment of plots and houses rules, 1979. Stop. Rule 15 provides as follows: stop. Board is not bound to allot the houses slash plots to every registration holder. Stop. Those who are not allotted the land slash house by the board are not entitled to claim the dues slash amount spent. Stop para. Rule 30 contains the following stipulations: sending application form, written consent is necessary. Stop para. In the event of availability of property in any scheme, intimation to effect shall be published in newspapers through advertisement, or written intimation shall be sent to the registered persons through registered post or both means of communication. Stop. Apart from description of available proper, date of allotment, draw, place and time shall also be mentioned in the said written intimation. Stop para. Application form in prescribed format shall be available at the place mentioned in the aforesaid intimation, as well as in the office of a state management officer of the city. Stop. Merely getting his slash her name registered with the Parishad, the name of a registered person shall not automatically be included in the lottery draw. Stop. It would be compulsory for the registered person to submit written consent letter within bracket in prescribed format bracket close for each and every scheme before the date of lottery draw, so that his slash her name could be included in the draw. Stop para. Application form can also be sent through registered post so as to reach in the concerned office before the last date. Stop. The Parishad shall not responsible for postal delay. Stop para. The willing buyer must ensure that he is providing true and correct information in the application form. Stop. Incomplete and conditional form shall not be entertained. Stop. At any point of time, if it is found that the applicant has concealed any vital slash relevant fact or has provided incorrect information, his application form shall be subject to rejection, and if a plot or house has already been allotted to him slash her, the housing commissioner shall have the power to cancel his allotment and to make deduction and to impose fine as provided in Rule 45. Stop. Priority will be given to the willing buyers, whose registration was done in first phase over those who were registered in the second phase. Stop. Similarly, persons registered in the second phase shall get priority over the buyers registered in the third phase, etc. stop, provided that the Parishad shall reserve the right to invite application for allotment from registered persons of only one phase or more than one phase of any scheme. Stop. The Parishad further reserves the right to grant liberty to a particular class to participate in the registration phase. Stop. The particular class, so granted liberty, shall take benefit of priority in the registration phase, example, willing buyers of reserved class, who were registered in the first phase shall get priority over those reserved class buyers who were registered in the second phase. Stop. Para. The first advertisement was published by the appellant in 1992. Stop. In terms of the above rules, registered applicants were required to furnish their written consent for being included in the draw of lots. Stop. None was provided by the respondent. Stop.